Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must start by signing into your Google account and opening Google Sites. Create a new site and pick a simple template. This avoids layout conflicts. Once done, name the site and set basic navigation. You should also decide how you'll host Unblocked games, direct iframe embeds, redirect links, or image buttons, because that determines page structure. Make sure to prepare the game URLs and any thumbnail images before moving to build pages. Now you build the core pages. Add one page per game or group similar titles together. Use the Insert Embed feature. Paste the game URL or iframe code and choose to embed as code to control sandbox attributes. Adjust the iframe size and set responsive width so it works on phones. Once embedded, add labels, thumbnails, and a simple instructions block. Also test game loading and input controls in preview mode. Refine sizing and permissions if needed. Publish the site when pages and embeds work in preview. Choose a short, clear site address and set sharing so others can access. If an iframe refuses to load due to xframe options, switch to a direct link or host the game files where allowed. Make sure to test on different networks and devices. If something fails, open Developer Console to inspect errors like mixed content or blocked frames. You can then change embed method, use HTTPS, or adjust.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.